Guka lang, bes. Ipit up hair ko. Guka. Hi again, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your teacher, Aubrey, on your screen. So for today's video, meron na naman tayong bagong lesson! Lesson number 2. So our lesson number 2 is all about the operations on sets. Kung yung numbers may 4 operations, plus, minus, times, divide, yung set meron ding 4 operations. Ito ay yung union, intersection, set difference, and set complements. So, I will share my PowerPoint presentation now. So, keep on watching! Okay, so this is now our lesson for today. Operations on sets. Your Module 1 contains 2 lessons. The first lesson was on the introduction of sets. Itong second lesson is on the operations on sets. So, bago natin yan talakayin, ito ang aking objectives for today. Based on the competency, this will help you illustrate union, intersection, and difference of sets. Specifically, after going through this module, you are expected to define and describe the different set operations, perform set operations, and represent the set operations using the Venn diagram. So, ano ba yung Venn diagram? Talakayin yan ngayon. What is a Venn diagram? So, a Venn diagram, these are diagrams that make use of geometric shapes to show relationships between sets. This is very useful in showing the relationship between 2 sets. So, usually, Venn diagram is like, syempre, diagram, picture. Picture out na lang dyan, relationship T sets. So, you have a rectangle that is represented by the universal set, and the shapes inside that are the subset of the universal set or the different kind of set. So, yung pwede siyang circle, pwede siyang pentagon, pwede siyang triangle, pwede siyang kahit anong gusto mo. But the standard Venn diagram uses rectangle for the universal set and circles for the different sets. So, yan, nandiyan yung explanation. Tignan nyo na lang sa inyong mga module. Oh, sino nga rod deto'y tata? Sino ka nga rod, sis? Ala nga rod. Deto'y nga lakay. Isu tinagimbento iti Venn diagram. So, the English logician John Venn popularized the diagram, that Venn diagram. Kaya siya tinawag na Venn diagram kasi yung pangalan ng nag-popularize sa kanya is John Venn. Venn. English logician siya. In the year 1880s, he called them Eulerian circles after the Swiss mathematician Leonhard Euler, who created similar diagrams in the 1700s. So, hindi siya yung unang gumamit ng Venn diagram. Si Leonhard Euler. Pero, hindi pa sikat yon. Hindi pinasikat ni Euler yung Venn diagram. Kaya, inadapt ni John Venn at naging popular na siya, kaya siya tinawag na Venn diagram. So, yung Venn diagram, yung pagsulat natin sa kanya, dapat capital V. Capital V kasi it is derived from a name of a certain mathematician. Ganun. So, John Venn. So, ito na. The main topic for this lesson, operations on sets. So, there are 4 operations on sets. We have the union of sets, the intersection of sets, set difference, and the set complement. Okay, so first, union of sets. Union. So, the set of elements that belongs to the set or a set A or set B or both. So, yung mga nasa set A, yung mga nasa set B, at pwedeng silang dalawa nandoon sa set na yon. So, the symbol for that is like a U shape. U. Ag U is una. Or in other book, mabalin nga tayo V. V nga ba? Pero para standard, para pare-pareha muna tayong mga grade 7 chikitings, yan muna yung gamitin natin. So, A union B equals X such that X is in A or X is in B. Note the usage of or. Pag ganyan, meaning or. Union, meaning or. Pwedeng nasa A, pwedeng nasa B, pwedeng nasa dalawa. Ganun. So, let's have example for that. For example, you have set A to have the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And set B to have the elements 1, 3, 5, 7. So, the union of that, isurat tayo pa lang amin. I-substitute tayo ni A. Agbalin nga, day jay, kopyaan tayo jay given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then, day jay union, kopyaan tayo, iso day jay. And then, jay B, i-substitute tayo, agbalin nga, 1, 3, 5, 7. So, bakit nga ba may highlight ang 1, 3, 5? So, based on our previous lesson during the introduction of sets, elements should only be written once. So, kitaan tayo, ana ba dagitay pagtipunan ni A can B? So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 3, 5, 7. No pagtipunom, di dyan ti maalam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 3, 5, 7. But, 1, 3, 5 are repeated. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lang ang isusulat natin. Okay? So, the illustration of that, using the Venn diagram, yan. 1, in A, in set A, ito. Dito sa set A na to, nakapaloob yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sa set B, nakapaloob din yung 1. O, dito. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Dito ko na sinulat yung 1, 3, 5. Kasi nandun na siya sa A at nandun na rin siya sa B. So, ang kulang na lang para mabuo lahat ng nasa B is 7. Ganon. So, another example. Set A, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And set B to have the elements 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So, we are asked to find for the union of that. Again, substitute the values of A, digita, element na 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Union with set B containing the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, kaya nga union, isusulat natin muna lahat. Tignan natin kung may mauulit mamaya. Isulat muna natin lahat. So, we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 10. So, you can see, walang naulit na element. So, isusulat natin lahat yan. Pwedeng ito na yung answer. Ito na, pwedeng ito na kung wala nang na-repeat. Pero, For formality's sake, we have to arrange the numbers. As long as numbers, pwede natin siyang i-arrange. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, the union of A and B contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, using the Venn diagram, isulat natin lahat ng nasa A. So, we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And inside set B, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Kung mapapansin nyo, wala akong linagay dito. Kasi wala naman silang common element. Saka ka lang maglagay dito kung may common element. At dyan na tayo pupunta sa next operation. The intersection of sets. The set of elements that belongs to the set A and set B. So, kung yung union kanina, parang letter U. Itong intersection, parang inverted U. Pabaliktad. So, A intersection B. It is read as A intersection B. Such that X is in A and X is in B. So, note the usage of AND. Kung kanina, yung union or itong intersection naman, AND. So, take a look at the diagram. Ito. Kung may common element sila, dito yon. Dito mo ilalagay. Okay, so let's have examples for that. For example, set A again. Same examples as the union of sets. So, set as same given sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And set B to be 1, 3, 5, 7. So, the intersection of A and B, isulat muna natin para maintindihan natin. Yung A, gagawin natin na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kasi yun yung given. Intersection with the set B, substitute ulit. Gawin natin 1, 3, 5, 7. Kasi yun yung given ulit. Now, bakit may highlight? Bakit may naiibang kulay? Yan yung mga numbers na common to them. So, those are the elements that are in A and in B. So, yung element na nandun sa dalawa. Common element. So, yung common element nila, 1, 3, and 5. So, using the Venn diagram, let's illustrate that. 1. Linagay ko na yung 1 doon kasi nandun siya sa A, nandun din siya sa B. Ganon. Then, 2, wala siya sa B, so outside B. So, dun lang sa A. Yung 3, nandun din sa B, nandun sa A, so sa gitna siya. Yung 4, wala sa B, kaya dun lang siya. And then, 5, both. And then, 6. So, buo na yung set A natin. Now, pupunta naman tayo sa set B. So, set B, nandito na yung 1, 3, 5. Ang kulang na lang ay yung 7. So, that is the illustration of the intersection of A and B. Next example. Paano naman pag wala? Again, given set A to have the elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and set B to have the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So again, the intersection, as we substitute them, kitaan tayon, tignan na natin kung ano yung pareho sa kanila. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. O, may parehong element ba? Di ba wala? So, pag wala, wala talaga, wala kang ilalagay. Huwag mong ipilit pag wala. Masasaktan ka lang. Char. So, ganyan na siya. So, based on our lesson yesterday, this kind of set is called, correct, empty set or null set. Walang element sa loob ng set. Wala talaga silang element na magkapareho. Ganon. So, using the Venn diagram, lahat ng A, we have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Wala tayong linagay dito sa gitna kasi wala naman talaga. Kasi yung nakuha natin is a null set. So, walang nasa loob ng A intersection B. So, ilagay naman natin yung mga elements sa B. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Ayan. Okay. Let's try. So, given, take note of the given, then find the following. Number 1, A union B. Okay. So, substituting the values of the elements in A, you have 2, 5. Union with the elements of B, which is 5, 7, 9. So, if we are going to write them, naulit yung 5, kaya i-disregard na natin siya. So, 2, 5, 7, 9. Yan na yung union of A and B. Next, number 2, C union D. So, C, yung C, X such that X is an odd number less than 9. Meaning, when we say less than 9, hindi nakasali yung 9. Pero pag sinabing less than or equal to 9, yon yung kasali yung 9. Pero pag less than lang, hindi mo na isasali. So, yung C, ang elements lang niya, mga odd numbers less than 9, we have 1, 3, 5, and 7. Union with the elements of D, which is X, such that X is an even number less than 9. So, you have 2, 4, 6, and 10. Union, pagtipunan tayo. We have 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8. Pwedeng yan na yung answer, pero for formality sake, i-arrange muna natin para mas maganda tignan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Ayan. So, the union of set C and set D is equal to, open and close braces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next, paano naman pag ganyan? Ang dami-dami. So, A, union B, union C, union D. As long as wala siyang parentheses, parang GEMDAS din yan. Groupings, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, parang ganun din yan. Pero pag wala, at magkakapareho naman yung operation, then, diretso na lang. So, i-substitute na lang natin lahat yung mga elements. So, i-combine din natin lahat. You have 2, 5, 5, 7, 9, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 2, 4, 6, 8. And then, tanggalin na lang natin yung mga na-repeat na numbers kasi union yan. So, we have the union of A, B, C, and D is equal to 2, 5, 7, 9, 1, 3, 4, 6, 8. Pero, i-arrange natin yan for formality sake. And eto na yung answer. Basahin nyo na lang. Okay. Let's try also in intersection of sets. So, A intersection B, number 2, C intersection B, and number 3, A intersection B intersection C. Then, same given. So, ganyan. Pag intersection, yung common element lang. So, tignan natin A intersection B. I-substitute natin yung mga elements sa A. I-substitute natin yung mga elements sa B. So, tignan na lang natin yung common sa kanila. So, we have 5 as their common element. So, therefore, the intersection of A and B is equal to 5. Ayan na. Ganyan lang kasimple. Number 2, C intersection D. I-substitute din natin yung C to be 1, 3, 5, 7 na, and then yung B, 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, kasi dito natin i-base yung mga ilalagay natin dito. And then, tignan na lang natin kung may magkapareho. May magkapareho ba? Diba? Wala. So, meaning, C intersection B equals null set or empty set. Wala. Wag mo nang ipilit pag wala talaga. Ganun. Masasaktan ka lang. So, again, next example. A intersection B intersection C. Just like what we did in the union of set. Pag ganyan na, at walang grouping, sige, area lang. Pero, ako, pag intersection, mas mabuting isa-isahin ko na lang muna. A intersection B muna, tapos yung sagot, intersection C. So, let's try that. A intersection B equals to 5 intersection with 5, 7, 9. So, we know that it is equal to 5. So, yan na yung sagot sa A intersection B. So, include na natin dito yung intersection C. So, since ito, A intersection B is equal to 5, itong C na lang yung i-substitute natin. So, x such that x is an odd number less than 9. We have 1, 3, 5, 7. And then, look at their common element. So, your answer now is 5. Yun. So, let's proceed now to the next operation, the set difference. This set difference are the sets containing elements of set A but not in B. So, yung nasa first set lang tayo mag-focus. So, all elements of A except the elements of B. So, A minus B. So, parang sa numbers lang may minus, itong set may minus din. So, A minus B. Note the usage of but not. Okay, recall. Union, or. Intersection, and. Set difference, but not. Okay, yon. So, let's have example for that. Given are the same set of sets. We have A equals to 5, B equals 5, 7, 9, and C equals x such that x is an odd number less than 9, and D equals x such that x is an even number less than 9. So, the first one we need to know is A minus B. So, i-substitute ulit natin yung nasa A, which is the 2, 5, ayan, minus yung B, which is the 5, 7, 9. So, dito tayo magbe-base. Now, mag-focus lang tayo sa first set or sa una. Kasi yung mga nasa A but not in B lang. Tignan muna natin yung magkaparehang elements. So, you have 5, 5, 7, 9, and then tanggalin natin yung 5. Tanggalin X. Kaya siya kulay blue, tanggalin mo na. At yung natira na lang is 2. Dito ka na mag-focus.
A few moments later.
We are just going to focus on the first set. So, yan na yung answer. Walang matatanggal dyan kasi walang magkaparehong element at mag-focus ka lang sa first set. Next example, A minus B minus C. So, unahin muna natin yung isang operation, then yung another operation. So, A minus B muna, one at a time. So, again, nakuha na natin yan kanina. The answer is 2. So, i-substitute na natin A minus B minus C. Yung A minus B alam na natin, so automatic na 2 yung sagot. Ay, bakit intersection yan? Sandali. Palitan natin. Baka malito kayo. Malito kayo, Bessie. Mahirap na. Appeared kas Jay, na may am-idimam kasi kas Jay ko na yung, I stand to be corrected. Sorry for that correction. O, okay na. So, again, tignan ulit natin kung may magkaparehang element dito sa A minus B, which is 2, at C, which is 1, 3, 5, 7. So, wala, di ba? So, the answer is 2. O, mag-focus lang kayo sa mga first sets. There. Next is the set complement. Ito, madali lang ito. The set of all elements in the universal set U that are not in set A. So, pag complement, yung symbol, ganun lang. Tapos lang natin, apostrophe laang, dyan. And note of the usage of the word not in. So again, pag union, or. Pag intersection, and. Pag set difference, but not. Pag set complement, not in. There. So, again, another example. Dinagdagan ko yung given na set. May set U na doon. X such that X is a number from 1 to 10. So, the elements of U are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kasi, numbers from 1 to 10. Kuna naman. So, what are the elements outside A? So, A complement. Pag A complement, sa U tayo magma-minus. U amin tipag-minusan. So, U minus A, mag-focus lang tayo sa first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, minus 2, 5. Tanggalin natin yung 2 at 5. So, yung natira lang ay yung 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, B complement. So, again, U minus B from U. Again, the universal set, ito yung pinakamalaki sa kanila. So, U minus B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, minus 5, 7, 9. So, tanggalin natin yung 5, 7, at 9. At yung natira lamang ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, at saka 10. Ang dali-dali, di ba? So, tapusin na lang natin, panintigan natin to. C complement. So, we have U minus C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, minus 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Tanggalin natin yung 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 at yung natira lamang ay 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, therefore, the complement of set C equals 2, 4, 6, 8. Last, let's have D complement. So, U minus D, ang ibig sabihin ng D complement. So, again, yung universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, minus 2, 4, 6, 8, which are the elements of D. So, tanggalin natin yung 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 dyan. At yung matitira lamang ay 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Therefore, the complement of set D is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now, let's have a quick assessment. Ito na. Malayo, dito yan, serante. Dito yung adada module yun. So, meaning, bonus. Bonus, bonus, bonus. Okay. That one. Given the set Q to have the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Set A to have the elements 2, 5. Set B, 5, 7, 9. Set C, X such that X is an odd number less than 9. And set D, X such that X is an even number less than 9. Okay. So, find, ito na, agtitipon amin dito yun. The operations yun. At union, intersection, set difference, at the complement. Diyan. Bonus da nga umuna. Bonus nga umuna. First bonus. A intersection B, open and close parentheses, and then intersection with B. Unahin muna natin yung A union C. So, yan. Pag na-substitute mo na, kunin mo na yung answer, eto na siya. Then, pagtapos mo na, i-intersect mo na siya sa B. I-substitute mo na rin yung mga elements sa B at tignan na yung common elements. So, the elements that they have in both sets. Okay. So, you have 5 and 7. Therefore, the union of A and C intersection with set B equals 5, 7. Ayan na yung solution. Next, bonus. D minus the intersection of set B and A. Okay. Unahin muna natin yung nasa loob ng parentheses. So, D minus, ayan. Na-substitute na, ayan na. Tignan mo na lang yung intersection nila. So, the intersection of 5, 7, 9 and 2, 5 is 5. Kasi yun lang yung element na magkapareho sila kasi that is intersection. Then, i-substitute na natin yung nasa D. We have 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the numbers or even numbers less than 9. Minus 5. So, mag-focus ka lang sa first. Tignan mo kung may magkaparehong element sa dalawa. Di ba wala? So, definitely, D minus the intersection of B and A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Nagets yung B? Dapat magets yung dito. Nuhaan, ulitin nyo ulit yung video. Ganun. Now, it's your turn. Open your modules and do the activities assigned to you by your teacher. Thank you for watching and God bless you all.